everybody, this is going to be my take on a sugar skull for Day of the Dead. So I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. I'm just spreading this out. These come already tied up like this. So I've checked to make sure they work. I'm just gonna stick it in here over the edge there. But basically I'm just spreading them out a little bit. Pulses racing to the drummer's beat. Families gather in the midnight street. Sugar skull smiles and faces painted, joyful tears for the love untainted. Tonight we remember the ones who passed, celebrate with laughter, make it last. Fruits of life and tales we share in the cool night breeze without a care. Horns are blaring through the velvet night. Children's laughter fills the air with light. Tales of ancestors in whispered tones, living love for the ones who've flown. Altars glowing with memories dear. Songs of life erase every fear. Flowers falling like golden rain, uniting hearts in a joyful chain. Tonight we remember the ones who passed, celebrate with laughter, make it last. Fruits of life and tales we share in the cool night breeze without a care.
Sunrise over the sugar skulls, marigold petals trace our steps. Skeletons groove in moonlight glow. Tonight we dance with ancient souls. Candles flicker in the warm night air. Altars adorned with love and care. We celebrate the ones we've lost in this realm where life and death cross. Ooh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Ooh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Ooh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Ooh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn. Mask in hand, ghost at my side. Laughter echoes, we won't hide. Skeletons waltz with vibrant flair. In this dance, all is laid bare. Sweet scents of cobalt fill the breeze. The whispers of the past in the trees. Time and space begin to blend. Feel the heartbeat, worlds transcend. Ooh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Ooh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Ooh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Ooh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn. for the sugar skulls. Marigold petals trace our steps. Skeletons groove in moonlight glow. Tonight we dance with ancient souls. Candles flicker in the warm night air. Altars adorned with love and care. We celebrate the ones we lost. In this realm where life and death cross. Ooh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Ooh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Ooh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Ooh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn. Mask in hand, ghost at my side. Laughter echoes, we won't hide. Skeletons waltz with vibrant flair. In this dance, all is laid bare. Sweet scents of copal fill the breeze. Whispers of the past in the trees. Time and space begin to blend. Feel the heartbeat, worlds transcend. Ooh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Ooh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Ooh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Ooh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn. Ooh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Ooh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Ooh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Ooh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn.
Okay, I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue. Let me open this into each eye socket. And push them into place with my tweezer. There. Okay, so see, he's got an eye now. Hee, wrong way. Okay. So I have some temporary tattoos I want to put on here. And I think I'm going to put this lotus flower right here on the forehead. So hopefully I'll get it right. I need to take off the film and just going to put this like that. Hopefully, we get this to stick. Let's see. I don't know if it'll work. Yeah, it worked. Nice. Look at that. That's cool. Okay. So just let it sit for a minute, press it down. There we go. Just goes right over there. I think I'm gonna put this back here. See where I have that line there? I think I can make that extend if I can get it right. Let me see. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Look at that. I like it a lot.
Skeletons dance in the
Look at that.
moonlight glow.
Wow.
Marigolds blossom and
All right.
candles show. We honor spirits with a festive spark. In every laugh we light the dark. Sugar skulls and pebble picador bright. Memories warm on a sacred night. We raise our glass to those who rest in joy and love. We're truly blessed. Dia de los Muertos, with friends we play. Celebrate the life in a joyous way. Gifts we give and hugs we share. Our hearts are full beyond compare.
But basically, I've made this matte by sanding it down, and I'm going to be adding UV resin, and we'll see how that works.
We dance for those we've loved and lost. In our hearts they are embossed. Miracles and sweets we share. Laughter echoes through the air. We remember joy and cheer, celebrating those held dear. We sing and play, we laugh and run, honoring lives under the sun. The gifts of hearts and hands we bring, in life and death we always sing. We dance, we laugh under the sun so bright. Photos of loved ones in the candlelight. Flowers in our hair and faces all aglow. We live for today but remember those we know. Gifts and stories shared with all our friends. Music plays loud, the joy that never ends. Smiles as wide as the ocean's endless blue. Celebramos la vida and our spirits grew. In the day of the living, our hearts are light. Memories of loved ones guide us tonight. Laughter in the air as we all unite. Honoring the past in our joy and delight. Celebrate the ones we lost. In this wrong life and death cross. Oh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the dead. Oh la 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 la, as we toast for spirits fed. Oh la 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 la, under the twilight red. Oh la 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 la, dance until we greet the dawn. Mask in hand, ghost at my side. Laughter echoes, we won't hide. Skeletons waltz with vibrant flair. In this dance, all is laid bare. Sweet scents of copal fill the breeze. Whispers of the past in the trees. Time and space begin to blend. Feel the heartbeat, worlds transcend. Oh la 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 la, feel the rhythm of the day. till we greet the dawn.
So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.